Hello everybody, Andy from ASAP Trading here. Today we're gonna have a big hard look at a specific instrument. The ticker is RTN. The full name is Restaurant Group PLC. On the weekly, we are witnessing a decline from 500-ish to a 20-ish, starting from 2015 and all-time low in March of 2020. What can drag my attention into this one, everybody? What can make me even consider it along? Let's have a look deeper. On the indicators, we are seeing a big accumulation, and this is actually the reason behind of studying this. Yes, this is a study case for me because it implies a double peak accumulation within so much time, and this is including big volume as well as big price drops. Over here, we've been penetrating the 50 level. The price line got currently rejected at 70. It's coming lower with a positive delta to test the 50 zone, and I think this is going to hold. On MACD, we've got the MACD line going through the horizontal zero line. However, we can see on the histogram that we sort of have an inverse head and shoulders. I'm usually not paying attention on the technical analysis on the histogram, but this might give us a clue what's going on. This is looking like a bear drop. The price action has been very, very specific. With a channel that's been going lower in a very Feng-Shui fashion until it's been penetrated to the downside and putting an all-time low in March 2020. After that all-time low, we've got some accumulation going in here, and this resulted in an specific, I would call it an ascending triangle structure, which was broken to the upside, got rejected at the first resistance level, and here we are today. These can be interpreted like an inverse head and shoulder formation pattern. This is a reversal pattern. The pattern has the target of 280, and we are currently forming the right shoulder. This is my prediction. I think we might reverse right here, or the worst case scenario is gonna be this one overlaid in red. I've seen this kind of price action before. I've been trading it, and I am looking to trade this ticker as well. The worst case scenario is when the price is touching this rectangle and gets rejected off that. That was the weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, we have a bottom signal on a week's fix. By the way, we've got a bottom signal here, and after a long grind in this zone, which resulted in some divergence on a MACD, we've got it to the upside. So here we have a very specific potential scenario going on. We've got a VIX fix bottom signal we've got the price overextended to the downside, which created some expansion in between of the moving averages. And by the way, this expansion was diminished recently, and the moving averages are about to cross. Look at the candles. Most of them are purple, which means they are closed within 5% of the lower range in that specific day. But that's mixed with the blue ones. The blue ones are the exact opposite. And here are the stars of the show. Two pin bars at the same level, 82.3. Signaling a potential low formation. On a MACD, we have a potential divergence going on, but that's not confirmed. We're just looking for these blue line to cross the red one. The MACD's line is also forming an inverse head and shoulders, which is very interesting as well. There is plenty of room to the upside, because after a crossover and a divergence here, the zero line is not too far, so that can result in a triple reversal signal to the upside. All of that combined with a volume spike on the daily ASAP smart money indicator. So an aggressive play would be to get in right now with a tight stop under these pin bars. And conservative play would be to wait for crossover of the accelerated MACD and on the weekly, which will result in a penetration of the zero equator line later on. And the worst that would be the worst case scenario when we go lower and lower to touch the 60s ish level and to get rejected from there. Personally, I'm gonna play it very aggressive, and I will reserve some funds for another try if it goes lower. By the way, a postscriptum right here. I've mentioned that I've been trading this kind of price action, and the overlay is from this chart right here. I've been trading this reversal in particular, and I've took some profits somewhere in this zone. Now looking also to get in on this one as well, but will patiently probably wait a little bit more, because I want to see some positive delta on a daily chart, and right now that's not looking too confident with a price line not even close to the 50 zone. Now that was everything. See ya in the next ones.